basically it is available in electric or gas. Very straightforward. What we have at the back here, folks, is a light fry fryer, which is a ventless cooking fryer with built-in extraction systems. You folks can have a look around a little bit later on. It's a 7-liter with an induction element, so there's very little chance of any maintenance issues. Very easy and very safe and simple to operate. I'll cook some chips in a minute. Over here we have a table model flat top grill, ideal for cooking burgers, obviously on this unit, but very flexible, and you can do other products as well. The gas bottle with a fire extinguisher for safety measures would be in the compartment on the left hand side. Quickly pop some chips in, put a burger patty on there. Chips take about two and a half minutes to cook. I'll quickly pop those in there. The ventless cooking system is designed to take away both the fumes and fatty smoke, as well as contain the smell. So I've got the chips on the go. I'm going to pop a patty on there. So I've got the patties on the go. These are 100% beef, made by the Food Design Agency. Let's just sear those quickly. What I've got behind me here is some pre-cut rolls, buttered with some lettuce, some tomato and some onion for garnishing. I've got some packaging at the back here as well. We won't use that today, just for the burger and so on. We've got an integrated point of sale system here. This is just a standard till, just for cash sales, but you obviously can have your Micros or your other points of sales linked to a remote site for obviously monitoring and control. So these chips have been going for a few minutes. They should almost be ready. The patties are on and looking good. There are a couple benefits to this unit, not only being self-contained, but they can operate in the evenings with the lights as well. Just give my hands a wash. There we go. This unit, folks, like I said, totally flexible. It is available in a coffee unit, which we launched a few days ago. There's a sushi unit where we pop a lovely sushi display onto the counter with the fridge or freezer, as well as a pizza unit, which we'll launch later this afternoon. The freezer behind here is approximately 80-liter capacity. At the moment, I've just got chips in here, but you could have your backup rolls, your backup tomatoes, and so on. Obviously, they will freeze if they're in there too long. Let's just check the chips. The light fryer does work on a timer. It does cook, take about 2 minutes 30 to cook a 30-gram portion. You could do chips in there. You could do some chicken wedges. You could do sausage wheels, samosas. We can pop a little iPod on the top there, just above the lights, with some speakers to create a bit of a vibe. The reason we have these side flaps, folks, is so that should you wish, you can either use it for an extra serving area, or you could pop the flap up, put a merchandising fridge next door to it, and sell some cold beverages. Very close on hand. Up to you and the experience you want to give your customer. Right, these patties are looking almost done. Those chips should be drained. Just want to decant those. Right. Golden brown chips in a few minutes. You can see Eugene's very hungry, eyeing out the burgers. Obviously this unit, this Gourmet-to-go unit, is pretty much for in addition to catering for those users that you cannot get to, for the busier restaurants. It can also be used for branding, for brand awareness, just for more exposure. Obviously with all the decals on your units, you're pretty hard to miss on a street corner or in a shopping mall. We do manufacture other units as well for higher volumes, such as the containerized kitchens, containerized bakeries and so on. We'll show you a little bit more about that a bit later. There's some tensile structures which we can put together, fully integrated kitchen solutions or mobile restaurants, including seating areas and all sorts. So thanks very much to Mark for his vision. Please do feel free to ask about those and the other ones a little bit later. Folks, when you have a look at the units, please keep an open mind. Although the shell itself is pretty much generic, we can customize as well. The unit itself is pretty much set in size, but what we can do at the back here and for your ultimate experience is a bit of customization in terms of shelving, packaging, and other important areas which your business may find a challenge. Okay, I'm going to have to do that. These are sealed lead still. Yeah, you need to chop the top. So within a few minutes of opening up your Gourmet-to-go units, the first meal is ready to be served.